Now we are going to know about how to save the selection area. Imagine if you want to select one particular portion and wants to modify this area either by using of fillet formations or a chamfer formation. Means already we selected, but we need to save the selection area. By right click selection tool, under selection tool we have a save selection tab. Selecting the save selection, we just save this tabs. Same as like at the inner portion, right click, select tangency and pick it. Right click, select tangency, then go to selection tool, save selection, new selection sets. Once it is highlighted completely, now we can able to modify it. Look at the top of its area. In the specification tree, selection sets with the name set is highlighted. It is easy to pick it and modify any kind of formations, either a fillet or chamfer formations, 2 mm or 1 mm. Once it is defined, automatically the fillet formation is created. Next are the inner portions. By picking of the selection set 2, wants to modify with an additional fillet formations, instead of picking one by one each and every face, we just by selecting of its selection sets, it's enough to modify the portions. Now picking it and changing the area with the 5 mm. 5 mm or 2 mm, whatever the radius was. It is easy to pick it and modifications or any kind of a solid or surface formations. Based on the selections only, we can able to highlight the faces, right? That's why. For more details, we can learn with colorit.in.